What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Garage Collective YouTube channel. Today we've got Russ here. What's up, Russ? Russ has this 488 Pista. It's pretty modified and we're about to take it for a drive and let you know how it is. Let's get it. That's loud. Oh! Dude! Oh my gosh, the way this thing corners is absolutely silly. That is so silly.
It's almost like it was meant for this.
Almost. What made you want to get the Pista?
When I was looking at buying a Ferrari, I was looking at the 458 and the 488 GTB, and I kind of figured if I was going to buy a Ferrari, that I should buy a Ferrari, you know. And the Pista was the king of the hill and the car that I really had my eyes on. And after months and months of thinking about it, I finally just pulled the trigger on this. I liked the fact that it didn't have the stripe down the center.
Yeah.
Also, the resale value is a big consideration, and the Pista is just going to be a monster resale value.
Yeah, for sure. The engine, we've got some modifications done, correct?
Yes.
What do we have done?
You know, when you get these cars stock, the exhaust is lackluster, to say the least, and so what I wanted to do is really get the sound out of it. And so we started with the Novitec exhaust, and we did the race exhaust, which has no cats on it, opens the car up quite a bit. And then from there we did the Novitec tune. We also did the Novitec lowering springs and the Novitec front lifter. Everything that we've done on this car has been all Novitec, and yeah, I can't say enough good things about the product and how well the car sounds. It's phenomenal.
Not everybody can buy one of these cars like new. This is a car that gets allocated to certain customers, correct?
Yes, you have to be, when you buy these cars new from Ferrari, you have to be an established Ferrari customer. There's even some customers that will have to buy another car or another Ferrari in order just to get
just to be able to get it.
Fortunately, I'm in the car business and have a connection with the Ferrari dealer in Connecticut, and was able to get this as a certified pre-owned from Ferrari, one owner with 2,000 miles on the car, so it's
basically brand new.
Basically brand new when I got the car.
Yeah.
This is my first Ferrari, so I feel fortunate that this was the way we started out.
Yeah, there's not much more to go up, is there? You kind of started at the top there, Russ.
Yeah.
Oh my, dude. the way it sounds when it shifts. What is that? I've never heard that noise before. That's not DSG. It is DCT though, right? Is it dual clutch?
Yeah, it is dual clutch, yes.
That is aggressive to say the least. We're gonna do some pulls in this thing, feel what it actually feels like to accelerate in a modified 488 Pista. And he's already laughing because he knows I'm gonna be scared, probably. So let's see how this goes. Oh my God. Dude, my hat just... It feels so stable. That is wild. It doesn't feel like it's angry at you when you do that. It feels like it likes it. What was that?
Can I have it right home?
My hat actually literally was coming off of my head. No joke. There wasn't even wind in here yet. First gear went like this. Boop! Almost knocked myself out, Russ. Damn. All right, we're gonna launch a 488 Pista. Let's do it. Are these carbon brakes?
Yeah, I think sounds like you're eating through them right now.
Yeah. So let's wait. It just goes. It's as simple as that. And the shifts are like lightning. Zeus himself put the transmission in this thing. That is like a strike to the dome when you shift. That is impressive. Oh. 488 Pista launch control. Wow. The noises that it makes is just ridiculous. It accelerates and brakes like on a dime. Like you hit the gas and it just, there's no lag, there's no turbo lag, which is the weirdest thing for me to try and wrap my head around. All right guys, so we're back at Garage Collective in the 488 Pista. Honestly, one of the most insane experiences I've ever had in my entire life. First time in a Ferrari. Best Ferrari to possibly go in for the first time, I can tell you that for sure. Huge shout out to Russ for coming by and doing this with me, I appreciate it. And guys, if you are not a member at Garage Collective, be sure you check out www.garagecollective.com and check that all out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.